Sometimes I feel I gotta get away from the big city and bright lights. I'm in the mirror looking like around a fight night. Cause one side of me listening saying you quite right. Feeling like giving up because I'm losing this life fight. Everybody trying to tell me this and that, when in fact the same folks talking behind my back. And I lack the tendency to give a motherfuck. Cause at the end of the day I put it down to live it up. And y'all stuck in this mind state where y'all worry about us, but bet I bust, cause I'm the only one that matters that much to me. And as you can see, not really worry about such. Rap on that JLet beat and call it exhibit, give a fuck. Man, I really need to do some traveling. Meet a bad bitch like Marilyn, she throw it back, shot put javelin. That was just a random thought, I figured I'd throw it in. But why this world want me to fucking pretend like it's all damn good?